Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, I love you. Thank you so much for still being here rocking with me. This is part 2 from my last video. I figured I'll just change my outfits for a little bit of, razzle dazzle. Don't mind me, you guys. But yeah, anyways, this is part 2 from my last video. So as you can already tell by the title, we are going to be talking about strategies for 2023. How are we going to level up? How are we going to smash those goals? How are we going to make 2023 our year? Listen, this year is my year. I literally can feel it in my bones. I am very positive. I'm coming into this year with a very positive and grateful heart, from last year. And I just know in my bones that 2023 is my year. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I'm feeling. I hope you guys are I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get into the new year as well. Anyways, let's take a step back and talk about 2022. How you guys feeling? How was 2022 for you guys? Did you think that you smashed all your goals for the year? How did you come out of 2022? Did you come out feeling like, there are some things you felt like you could have done that you didn't do, or you literally checked off every single thing on your list? Let me know in the comment sections. I'll definitely be in the comment section as well. 2022 was definitely a good year for me. It was definitely not without its lows. I mean, just like every other year, right? But I think I ultimately smashed my major goal for the year. There are some things that I wanted to do that I wasn't able to get around to. It was more circumstantial with maybe a splash of procrastination. I don't know, but I feel like in general, 2022 was good. I know 2023 is going to be 10 times better. But yeah, 2022 was in general a good year for me, if I'm being honest. And I'm just sharing a few strategies that I am coming into this new year with and how I plan to smash my goals for this 2023. I'm just sharing a few things with you guys as well. Feel free to share your strategies with me in the comment section below. So yeah, 2023, I came into 2023 with an actual vision board, not a mental one. I decided I was going to create my own vision board. I created my vision board on Canva. I would probably post the picture of that on the screen for you. I just went to Canva and decided to create my vision board in there, because they actually have, if you go into Canva, they have like several templates as well. If you're looking to create your vision board that looks just like mine, or at least something similar, they already have templates. You can just replace those pictures there with your pictures, and if you want to add some text to it to remind you of what that picture represents for you. Obviously vision boards are personal, right? It depends on what your goals are for the year. But yeah, they do have like the picture templates. If you want more of an itemized vision board, I'll put an example of that on the screen for you as well. If you want more like itemized vision board, you want to write stuff down and actually write down your goals, you could do that as well. So what I did was I actually created 2 vision boards. Obviously, I'm only going to be sharing the picture one with you guys because I don't want to be sharing my itemized vision board with you guys. Come on now. As much as I don't want to share that, I don't want to see yours as well. Just go ahead and work on your goals, right? So I created a picture vision board, and I also created a more itemized vision board as well, because for me, I'm very visual. So I had written it, so it's divided into different sections, right? If you go on Canva, I'll put a picture on the screen for you as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. So it's divided into different sections, so you can go ahead and write your goal for your health, your goal for your career, your goal for your business, whatever it is. You can go ahead and just itemize those goals there and look at it every single day. Try to work on those goals, and I'm very positive that we're going to come out of 2023 having smashed every single goal we set for ourselves. So yeah, I think that is that for the vision board. Second thing I'm definitely doing this, well, I wouldn't say I'm definitely doing this year, that's something I've been doing since last year, is I'm having a planner. That is very, very important, at least for me. I write down everything I want to do for the week. I write it down and I sort of go over that list one at a time, right? So I think having a planner is very important as well, because So for me, the way I think about it is, you obviously have your ultimate goal for the year, where you're thinking at the end of 2023, this is where I want to be. But obviously sometimes that can get overwhelming. So for me, I broke my goals down into quarterly goals, monthly goals, and weekly goals, right? Just to help me not get so overwhelmed with everything I think I want to do. You can get your planner from anywhere. I'll leave, just type that into Amazon. Just type 2023 year planner into Amazon and it will bring you a list of options, or you can type it on Google as well. You get a lot of options. It's probably under $20. Just order yourself a planner, write down your goals. If you know that's what you want to do, it's up to you anyways. But that's what I am doing for the year. So be that content for me, like obviously the most important thing I need to be writing down is my content, because sometimes I'm like, I get ideas of, stuff content I want to create for like maybe Instagram or even YouTube, now that I'm back on YouTube. So every time I remember, for me, I like to write stuff down. I can type it on my phone and keep it there, not a problem, but I feel better if I write it down, because I feel like there's something about just writing it down that makes it more real for me. And that's just me anyway. So yeah, I definitely preach having a planner. I'm very big on planner. Well, I've been big on planners since last year, and just writing stuff down on a daily basis. So the last thing is journaling. So I have not been journaling. That's just something I want to take on in this new year, and sort of see how that goes. So I saw the cute journal in Dollarama, in the dollar store close to me, and it sort of had little smiley faces. I'll see if I can put a picture up on the screen for you guys. So it had little smiley faces. So every day it's gonna ask you, how do you feel today? So you can tick off if you're happy, sad, maybe somewhere in between, whatever that is for you. And then you can write. So it has some questions there, like what was the highlight of the day for you? What was your low point today? What are you grateful for? I feel like stuff like again, I've not been journaling. I'm going to start doing that now and see how that works out for me. But just seeing that, I think having something like that puts you in a gratitude mindset. That's just how I see it, because at the end of the day, it's easy to get sucked into worrying about stuff that you don't have, or stuff that you've not been able to do, and blah blah blah, and then you forget to actually be grateful for the little things that you have, which are really not so little if you think about it, to be honest with you guys. I'm very big on being healthy and having life, and knowing that as long as you're alive, as long as you're working, as long as you're alive, as long as you're working towards your goal, it may be slower for some people, but as long as every day you're making the conscious effort to take one step closer to your goal, you'll definitely get there eventually, right? So for me, I think journaling might actually help me sort of put things in perspective for me. If I'm able to do that every single day, I would definitely try to take on journaling this year as well. So that's pretty much what I want to take on this year, and see how that works out for me. Of course, we're still here on YouTube. I'll definitely every now and again check in with you guys, let you know if I've been able to smash some goals, if I actually was able to smash some goals at the deadline that I set for myself. If it's something I want to share with you guys, I will. If not, then it is what it is. But yeah, let me know how you guys are feeling about 2023, if any of the strategies or stuff that you are going to be taking on as well to help you get into the mood, get into the groove for the new year to come. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I have for you guys today as far as how I am going into 2023. I'm really excited, honestly. I don't know what it is. I think it's just this, I just have this calm in me. It's not like I have everything for the year figured out, to be honest with you. I have a strategy, and I know that God is with me. God is going to back me, and I will do my absolute best to make sure that I smash all those goals that I have set for myself as well. So I'm definitely coming into this new year with so much joy, so much excitement. And I hope you guys are in the same spirits as well. I think that's pretty much everything that I have for you guys today. I don't know if I'm forgetting to mention anything, but if I am, I'll probably add that in the comments after the video. Let me know how you guys plan to tackle the new year. If there's any tips you also want to share with me, feel free to put that in the comment sections below. I'll definitely be in the comments, you know, scrolling through, hearing you guys' opinions and all that stuff. So thank you again for rocking with me, for being here till the end. In the next couple of videos to come, I'm going to be having a giveaway, because why not, right? You guys have been working with me for like ever, so I definitely need to appreciate you guys. I don't know if I'll announce the terms for the giveaway in my next video. I probably will. If not, it will be in the next 2 videos to come. But yeah, we're definitely having a giveaway for you guys. Just a little token of appreciation for every single person that's subscribed to this channel. So stay tuned for that. And again, like I always say, feel free to let me know what you want to see in the comment section below, be that a tutorial, be that anything technical questions as far as my tools and stuff go. Whatever it is, feel free to ask me anything. I'm more than happy to answer you guys, or make an actual video. Even if one person asks me a question, I'm more than happy to create a whole entire video just to answer that person's question. Listen, this creating videos or content, so to say, is actually one of the things in my life that doesn't feel like work. So it's not a bother for me at all. Feel free to let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. That is all I have for you guys today. Of course, I love you, love you, love you, love you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, like, what are you still waiting for? Please go ahead and click on subscribe. Share my channel with your friends. Share it on your Insta stories if you're moved to. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your mommy, your daddy, your uncles, brothers, sisters. It's whatever. There's always going to be something here for everybody, honestly. So feel free to share this with all your friends or your family or your loved ones. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle on the screen. Follow me on my social media. I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay crushing your goals, stay motivated. I love you guys. Bye.